Oh shit, the chopper has landed. Oh no, they're going after somebody. Oh, you're right. They are here. What? I know you guys remember Andy. This is his new mod. Alright, bro. Fucking look at this guy.
Is this shit loud?
Why does he do that shit? It's that haircut. That's what made him do it. Going into the car meet. It looks pretty popping. We're gonna go in there and break some necks. So let's do it.
I'm gonna plan to wrap it all white.
Damn, these fucking wheels are fucking badass.
Yeah, work wheels has red interiors.
Damn. Oh, dude. Your fucking hood is the shit, dude.
Yeah.
I want to get a vented hood, but they're fucking expensive. I can't find anybody, yeah. Yeah, that shit's tight, dude. Nice.
So I'm gonna look for a wing too, and then that's about it. And then, I'm gonna wrap the car first. I'll wrap it all white.
Oh, yeah, that'll be
it
nice.
matches the red interior.
Yeah, that'll be cool, dude. Alright, so we are out here at the meet. Got a little stand. Watch the crowd. Oh, never mind. Here's Whipple. He has to be able to handle the power with this shit. Dude, this one's supercharged too.
Oh, is this Alex SVT?
I think so. It's nice though. 300E. What is that? 435. No, why? But I like this. Those like red accents. They look cool. This one kind of reminds me of my car. Look, there's a Super Babe, that white car. It's Mula. I'm gonna have to hit him up soon. 1500 horse. Oh, the law. Shout out to the boys for closing my hood. Got Bill's WRX. Damn, look at this clean ass Porsche. Dang. Shit's hella nice. 1,000 horsepower. Where? Rare T, damn. Rare T's doing good. I guess they must be doing good. Here it is, guys, a new AE86. I like the back of it. Let's get a second opinion. What do you have to say?
It's cool.
It looks cool, you like it? Don't lie to me.
Oh,
Alright, looks cool. What about you? What do you think?
That's alright.
Oh,
not bad.
I can sense the hate.
Yeah, I don't like these. When it has as much horsepower as a fucking Toyota Corolla, it's not.
Damn. Oh, he's calling out all you AE86 owners. Alright. Let's go take a little trip around. Oh shit, what is it, a 300ZX?
Yeah, that shit is clean.
Dude, look at the freaking seats. Damn, that's hella nice. I like the Sparkos. Looks freaking tight.
Yeah, that looks
This looks nice. Oh, here he goes. He's taking off, fam.
Do you know this guy?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know this guy. Shit
This
looks.
car looks nice for being like an older car.
Yeah, it's fucking nice.
It's really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that shit sounds crazy. Oh, it's a Honda.
Is it?
This is a Honda. I don't know what kind of Honda it is. It might be. No, it might be a Honda Civic. Let's see.
Doesn't say.
It is a Honda Civic. Dang, that's cool.
That's his shit.
I don't know. Maybe like
Badass.
1932 or
You
something.
can tell the body's like really heavy.
1927.
Oh, cool.
I like the mirrors. These are fucking cool.
Badass, the Euro mirrors.
Can you even see with those?
Yeah. Huh.
Do you, or can you see?
This Mustang, the tower clean.
Yeah, huh. What is this? ZL1? Is this a ZL1, Andy? Yeah, it looks fucking badass though. I like the matte hood and the matte top.
Yeah.
It's pretty fast or no?
The Camaros?
Yeah. No. These ones?
Yeah, no, not at all.
You don't think so?
No, not at all. They're pretty weak. I ran one in my manual. I left them by like a bus.
Okay. Well, what about this one right here? This 5.
Yeah, that was really fast. Anything Mustang, anything, because they weigh 3,500 pounds and they're close to 500 or a little over 500 wheel. They're fucking fast, dude. They're
But on
light,
what,
they're
though?
Fast, they hit hard.
On just a fucking tune?
Just a tune. That's it. And if you're running up against, oh shit, it's RS3 or not?
Oh, damn. Look at that. The fucking.
That's not RS3.
Man, that fool's low as fuck. Is he driving that car? Oh,
it's a
shit.
RS3.
It's a Type R.
Oh, it is.
You should have raced that Type R, remember?
I couldn't race him. I had no gas. I was gonna run him, but I couldn't. They're shutting it down or what?
Look at these tires. What do you think they are? Mickey Thompson's?
Yeah, they're fucking.
I just have thick ones in the back and thin ones in the front.
So he doesn't lose traction.
Yeah, they're crazy, dude. They're
Alright.
fast. I'm telling you, if you ever want to do a crazy run and you think you're fast, try running a Mustang.
Mustang?
Slick, yeah, on slick. that's
Okay.
10
I was gonna say I tried a new 10-speed. I smoked that fool.
Yeah, nah, you're gonna try.
But I
one
think
that's
he
like
was.
really bad.
I don't think he was. Damn! Look at this fool. All right. I thought it was like a taillight mod. I don't know. This fucking BMW looks pretty dope, dude. On the BBSs, shit's pretty nice. Is it an M3 though or no? Shit, it is an M3.
Yeah.
You know what's my favorite color in these, bro? The Alpine White. I think that's what it's called.
Alpine White.
But those are kind of rarer, huh?
Yeah, they're really rare.
Yeah.
Really expensive.
Man, this shit looks sick. Yeah, I think this one's my favorite Mustang. Fucking color looks badass. Look at the color on this
Yeah,
thing.
the orange, the Go-Go Mango.
Is that what it's called?
Nah, that's Mopar.
Your opinion on something, guys. What does it say? Let's see. Let's see what Delilah thinks is funny. Trying to be some perverted sticker. Oh no, it's not.
Not that one.
Which one? Oh wow. I can't believe that, guys. That's what you think is funny, huh? Okay, what do you think about these tire letterings, dude?
Yeah, they look
Are they still cool or is
Yeah,
that
no,
like
they're
old?
good. I think like depending on the build, yeah, they look.
Damn, babe. What do you think about that color?
Good color?
This one.
Oh, that's cool. That kind of looks like our car.
Yeah, this is the same color.
I don't think so. This one's more like curly.
No,
No,
yeah,
this
this
is
is nicer. Yours
this
is
is
like
the
blue.
same color. This
No,
is
it's
Sonic
blue.
Gray Pearl. Yes.
Nah, this ain't it.
Yes, it
It
is.
depends on the lighting.
Andy, I swear.
Nah, dude, your guys' is blue. I'm telling you.
I feel like this one looks more
But this is the
pearly.
OEM
No,
pink
it's more
color.
gray. This one's more gray.
This is the OEM pink color.
This looks almost like Nardo, but not.
It depends on the lighting.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, this is crazy.
I like this one.
Yeah, looks nice. What is this? Type R too? Another Type
They
R?
all have the wings.
Dude, there's a lot of Type Rs in the world. I guess the Type R's are good.
Yeah, Voltex 2. Is that what everybody knows?
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I think this one is one of my favorites.
The M4?
Yeah.
That shit was fucking
I've always had a soft spot for these ones.
Nah, they're bougie as shit. They're fast.
And you know what, dude? I'm not even gonna lie. I fucking like this color. It's fucking badass. Dude, I showed Delilah. I was like, what do you think about this color in my car? She's like, no.
This dude, Daryl.
It looks sick.
He had an M3,
Uh-huh.
an S55,
Yeah.
and it just burned down, unfortunately.
What?
He was beating everybody. He was like one of the fastest in fucking town.
He was
Yeah,
an M3?
He's an M3, but this has the same motor though, the S55 motor.
Oh, but the M3, he was a 4-door though,
Yeah,
huh?
it was a 4-door.
Are
he
those-
was fucking mopping everybody, dude.
Are those,
Leaving. He beat a twin turbo Lamborghini.
what?
Yeah, he fucking was mopping.
So he had upgraded turbos.
Yeah, he was upgraded.
Tires, bro.
Damn, these 10R80s are no joke.
That shit looks crazy.
Fast.
Yeah. It kind of sucks. He got state repped a bunch of times. That sucks.
Nah, this isn't his though.
Is it?
Nah, he has the Camaro. Remember?
Oh, this is the Camaro?
Yeah, I don't know whose this is.
Oh.
This is a 10R80 though, for sure.
Yeah.
The 10
But his
speed.
is automatic too, huh? The Camaro?
Yeah,
That's what he
but
said.
this is Camaro.
Still?
Yeah.
Not as strong as the other ones?
Not at all. I've seen him run back and forth.
What about these?
Yeah, the R35.
Dude, this one looks like, yeah, he's got dude, he has tires on him. GTR on tire.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Tell me you're fast without telling me you're fast. The GTR on tire, guys.
He's a carbon trunk, dude. Shit is hard.
Yeah, lightweight, dude. Oh, what about this, dude? LSAJ? These are,
Yeah, these are fast.
yeah? What are these? Pro charged already or what?
What is it?
These are pro charged? Or?
Yeah, they already come supercharged, yeah.
Yeah, that's fucking badass.
Yeah, they're fast.
Yeah, that's cool. Damn, what about that Pro Charge S2000? That shit seems fast. That's my next mod, dude. I'm gonna fucking get new tires.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this V6. I didn't even notice it. I wonder what he has
I
done.
think this guy's on E85. I seen
is
him. Yeah, I seen him pumping E85 at the fucking
Yeah, he's fast.
the gas station.
Those cars are really fast. NA.
Oh, dude.
In Super?
This fucking color, bro. This
I
is
think
like
they're starting to
the.
grow on me more
This
and
is
more.
the special edition one, bro.
Yeah, the GR.
No.
Oh, great.
Leave it to the fucking to the Mopar. He's not even Hellcat, bro.
He is Hellcat.
Dude, I didn't even hear shit whine.
Nah, it winds at a certain RPM.
Oh, okay. Well, he's gonna have to take that
Probably
somewhere
like
else.
second, first or second.
I don't know. This Supra, man, it looks so nice. One of my favorites here, this blue Supra.
Yeah, man, the headlights look crazy.
Yeah, they do. I like how the front just like comes in.
Yeah,
The bumper
like
looks
all
hard.
Just one big arrow.
Yeah, it looks hella nice.
It's big.
Yeah. Man, this shit looks sick. Yeah, I think this one's my favorite Mustang. Fucking color looks badass.
Stickers.
Look at the color on this
Yeah,
thing.
the orange, the go-go mango.
Is that what it's called?
Nah, that's Mopar.
Alright guys, I think that's it for us. Meat is getting a little too hot. And yeah, let's get out of here.